Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro using your iOS device. So you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold at empty space, then click Edit or plus at the left top, add widget, now scroll down and click on batteries. Right here, choose the best one for you, that's okay for me, and after you decide, click Add Widget. So you can check it right here. Or the second option is to use an application, so just open it, and right here we can check a battery level of a left one earbud, right one, and the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!